What's up, everybody? Boone Wyatt, 323 Concept Furniture Restoration here. I want to show y'all a quick, cool tool to keep handy if you don't already have it. Say you need to take one of these two bolts out, or both, right? Well, you could use the 7/16 socket bit if you have it. Works great, right? Well, what if you don't have it? What if you can't find your 7/16 bit if you're like me and you've misplaced it or left it somewhere and just can't find it? Well, look at this cool little thing. This right here is a really cool thing to have around the shop. It fits just about every size you can think of. You just try to center it the best you can over your socket, or I'm sorry, you center the socket over that bolt and voila, comes loose. Very cool tool to have. Once again, I'll put a link in the description of the video just so you can sort of see where to get it. But basically what it is a bunch of little pins in there that when you push that over your socket, it conforms to anything 1/4 inch through 3/4 inch. So great thing to have around the shop just in case you lose one of your sockets. Thanks.